Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to enable captions on YouTube Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable or turn on the captions on your YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when you land over here, you can see the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings and tap on the general option over here just below the family center. And over here, guys, you can see the second option that says captions. Tap on the captions option over here, and you can see here it says the caption preferences. Turn on the caption preferences by tapping on the toggle icon at the right side of it, and you can see, guys, here it says caption will look like this on this interface where there is the picture, and you can choose your default text size over here, and with your caption style, either white on black, black on white, yellow on black, yellow on blue, and custom. You can set all of these for your captions. That being said, guys, you can also choose your language over here, which is available on the YouTube itself. And with that being said, guys, your caption on the YouTube Music app has been turned on, and this is how you'll be able to turn on captions on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.